Tossing up the action, returning the reaction. We gon' rip the torn away. Hypnotizing power, crushing all the cowards. Battery is here to stay. Rushing to the boundaries, lunacy has found me. Cannot stop the battery. Lunacy has found me.
Schmutzed. I've been schmutzed.
say, Jill? It's the champagne pouring, big joint rolling, Bombay sipping, no blunt smoking, bad bitch getting thick and she got some friends with her. I take them out, pour shots of liquor, drinking out the bottle, smiling in all my pictures. The marijuana loud, so them hoes follow like Twitter. Nigga, you know everything, Taylor. Don't rush to the bar, fool, if you ain't got no paper. That's the rules. High as fuck, sloppy drunk when I'm passing through.
Man, what did you guys think of that? First time, man, ever hitting that tree gap and ever doing that with my 5-inch. Hawk 5. My rooster's down. Bad motor. Replacement's coming.
Taking advantage of his warranty.
Yeah, gotta love blasters. The replacement program is where it's at, guys. Let me tell you, it's what you gotta do. Get those motors. Later. Here it is. Beautiful Lampman Park in Gold Hill, Oregon. That's where I was flying today. Practicing on my proximity. I must say, I think I'm getting better. What do you think, babe?
Yes.
Who's responsible for all my editing, I must say. There it is, guys, the Rogue River. The Wild Rogue. Such a beautiful, beautiful place we live in here in Oregon. Love it. Lampman Park. What do you guys think's living in this? Holy moly. What the hell is in that? Holy shit. What the hell? I ain't getting no closer. That's a big hole. Whatever's in there's big. If you guys don't see this video, I didn't make it out. Later.
Up, yo, ho, who we pass them to? Hit the club, spend this money up, roll another one, drink, act a fool.